Good morning, children. In the last multiplication chapter, we did multiplication by 1 digit and 2 digit numbers, isn't it? So today, let us do the same multiplication, that is with carry. Okay, multiplication with carry. Multiplication with carry. Okay, what is this? Let us know today. Okay. For example, I'll do some example sums. Let us say 76 into 5. Okay. 76 into 5, that is 76 is 2 digit number and 5 is 1 digit number. So multiply 5 into 6 first. 5 6 are, that is 30. 5 6 are 30, isn't it? So write this unit 0 here and this 3 which is in tens place. Write above 7 as carry. Okay, see here 5 6 are 30. Write this 0 here. Okay, then 3 you give above 7, that is as a carry. Okay, now next multiply 5 sevens are how much? Yes, it is 35. Okay, then 3 carry is here, so add 3 for this. So 35 plus 3 is 38. Understood, children? What I did? 5 sevens are 35 and the carry here you add for this product. So 35 plus 3 is 38. Write this 38 here. Okay, that is 76 into 5 is 380. So we took 3 as a carry. So we will do another example sum. Okay, that is 88 into 4. Okay, or I will take another one, that is 288, because here I have taken 2 digits 76. Here let us take 3 digits. Okay, now 4 8s are how much? It is 36. Sorry, 32 it is. 4 8s are 32. So write 2 here, then 3. Just give carry above 8. Okay, understood? What I did? 4 8s are 32. So write this 2 here and give 3 as a carry above 8. Now next number 4 8s are, again it is 32. But what about carry here? Plus 3. So what is the answer? 32 plus 3? It is 35. Now write this 5 in the product column, then 3. Again you give carry above 2, which is in 100 place. Okay. Now 4 2s are how much? 4 2s are 8. Then what about carry here? It is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 11. So write 11 here. So what is the product? It is 1152. Okay, children. Now another example. Just I'll take 2 digit number, that is 56 into, okay, again let us say 12, or yeah, you can take another one, take 42 and take. Okay, that is 46 into 56 into 42. So 2 digits. 56 is also 2 digit and 42 is also 2 digit. Now first multiply 2 6 are. How much children? 2 6 are 12, isn't it? Write 2 here and 1 give carry above 5. Okay. Now 2 5s are 10 and 1 carry is there. Add 1 to 10, it becomes 11. Okay, write this 11 here. Understood? First multiply 56 by 2, which is in unit place. Forget about 4. Okay? 2 6 are 12. Write 2 here and the one which is left here give carry above 5. Next number is 2 5s are. It is 10 and carry 1. That is 10 plus 1, it is 11. Write 11. After multiplication by 2, here you put into mark. Okay? Here you put into mark and rub this. Okay? It's not necessary, children, to write the arrow mark. Just I am teaching you how to do the multiplication with the unit number. Okay? Arrow mark ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು arrow mark ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay? Next, okay, we will do from 4. See, 4 6 are. So just before doing the multiplication, okay, write into mark just below 2. That is first number ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ into ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Now 4 6 are, it is 24. Okay. Now write 4 just below here and 2 give carry above 5. Now again 4 5s are, it is 20. Okay, 4 5. This 2 I have given as a carry. Okay. 4 6s are 4 5s are 20 and what about carry here? Plus 2. That is 24. Write this 24, then add it. 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Again 4 plus 1, 5. 2 as it is. It is 2552 is the product. Okay. So I do another one example from the textbook I take. Okay, it is 93 into 34. Okay, again 2 digit number into 2 digit number. First, as I explained here, how to multiply 4 3s are. 4 3s are how much? Don't consider 3 here, only from 4 to 3. 4 3s are how much? It is 12. What to do? So write this 2 here and 1 give carry above 9. Okay. Now 3 9s are, sorry, 4 9s are how much? 36. Isn't it? Now 36, what about this carry, children? 1 is there, add 1 for 36. So that is, the answer is 37. Write this 37. See the gap given for each digit. So because you have to give this much of gap, children, because when you add, okay, according to place value, unit, tens, 100, so it will be easy for you. That's why you give some gap in between each number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3. So there also you give some gap. ಹತ್ತತ್ರ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಂಬರು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಥರ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ 4 into 3, again 4 into 9. Now next what? Yeah. Now below 2 you put 1 into mark. Next number you take 3. 3 3s are how much? 3 3s are 9. So here only single digit after multiplication you get only single digit. So not necessary to carry ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 9s are it is 27. See, to do multiplication children, okay, you must know the tables, otherwise you can't do this whole chapter multiplication ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So up to 20 ನಿಮ್ಮ tablesನ by heart ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ very easy. Next add it. 2 9 plus 7 that is 16, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 2 plus 1 it is. So the product after multiplying 93 into 34 is 3,162. Okay, I do another one example, sir. I take 3 digits. Okay, it is 264 into 5600. 3 digit into 2 digit. Okay, that is what multiplication with carry means. When you take more than 2 digit, okay, then there will be more carry. ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Very easy to do. If concept if you understand, you can multiply the number of digit with number of digits. Okay, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, 2 ಇರಲಿ, 3 ಇರಲಿ, 4 ಇರಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ you can multiply. But one thing you should know the tables. Okay, now first multiply 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. Okay, now write 4 here, then 2 give as carry to above 6. ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಸೈಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು 6 6s are that is 36. So how much carry given here? It is 2. So 36 plus 2, it is 38. Now write this 8 here and 3 give carry above 3. Now next is again 6 into 3. 6 into 3. So 6 3s are 18. What about carry? It is 3. 18 plus 3, it is 21, isn't it? So write this 21 here. You understood? So what I did? With 6 I multiplied first 4, then 6, then 3. Now I got this. Next number is 5. Before that, just give one multiplication mark below 4. Okay, next 5 4s are, it is 20. Okay, I'll write here 5 4s are 20. Now write 0 below 8 and 2 give carry above 6. Okay, as we did in 6. ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ. Next 5 6s are, it is 30. What about carry children here? It is 2. 30 plus 2 is 32. Now write this 2 below 1 and this 3 give carry above 3. Now 5 3s are again. 5 3s are how much? It is 50 plus carry, that is 3. It is 18. Okay. Now write this 18 here and next is to add everything. That is 4, 8, okay. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 8, it is 10, 1 plus again 1 carry, it is 2. So what is the answer, children? It is 20,384. Okay, like this you can do multiplication if you know the tables properly. Okay, now I will give you some homework, you try at home. Okay, children? In the same way you write. Homework. Multiply or find the product, anything. Okay. First one, I'll give simple 9 into 5 first. Second one, 46 into 6. Okay. Third, 108 into 41. Next, don't want equals because I have to do like this, no? That's what. That's why no need of that. Next, 3 digit into 2. Again, 2 digit into 2 digit. I'll give you again 3 digit into 2 digit. Okay. So write or multiply all these 5 sums in your homework book, children. Okay. So I think this is your last class of this multiplication. So next week anyhow vacation is there. 1 week up to 20th you have got vacation, isn't it? Afterwards we'll do another chapter, that is division. So multiplication, this much is over. I will send you the notes. You copy all the notes in your notebook. Okay, children. So happy holidays. Enjoy your holidays, but be careful about the pandemic also. Okay, children. See you after the Dasara vacation. Bye.